Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today is our lab 2, means we will practice conditional statements in Swift. So let's start our today's lecture. So today we will discuss what is if else statements and how we can write an Xcode. As I have already explained conditional statements in our lectures, so if anybody has not checked those lectures, so you can check the lectures in the playlist of iOS app development, so you can better understand the implementation. So we will start our today's lecture with if statement. So let's start our first program of if statement. So first of all, we will have to declare an integer, let number is equals to 0. Okay, we have declared our variable. Now we will put our if condition over here. If number is greater than 0, so this is the condition of our if statement. Then we will put the brackets of our if statement, that if this condition is true, then execute the program in these brackets. So we will print the number is positive, right? So just execute this program. Just put a print statement so we can check that this is executing or not. Yes, so this statement is not true, as we have declared our variable is equals to 0. So 0 is not greater than 0, right? So this statement is false. So the code written in the if brackets will not be executed, and the control will directly pass from this if to this print statement, right? And this piece of code will not be executed. So yeah, like this we can write our simple if statements. Now we will write our else statement. So how can we write else statement? Simply copy that code and just there write else, then put the brackets of the else statements and just write the statement of else over here. So yeah, the number is either 0 or negative number, right? As these two conditions are possible, just run this code. Yes, the number is either 0 or negative number, as this condition didn't met. So yeah, we will check. I changed the number value from 0 to 10. Now check this code. The number is positive. Yeah, that's good. So you can see how these if else statements are working, how control is passing from if to else, and and if the condition is false, then these codes are not executing. Now this condition is false, it will not check this condition, it will simply check if statement. As it is true, so it will print this number. Now we will write nested else statements. So how nested else statements are written? I will just copy that code like this and just put else if. Okay, we have this if statement, then after if statement we have this else if condition, but for else if you have to write a condition. So we will write number is less than 0, so the number is negative number, else print number is 0. So just execute this code. Hmm. So the number is positive, right?